The estate expense funding product is for executors who are faced with unexpected costs in the process of managing the estate. This can include funeral expenses, professional fees, property maintenance and repairs. The product is no risk to executors. There's no credit checks, no charge of a property, no monthly repayments, and no requirement for a will. We pay all the costs, and the loan gets repaid out of the proceeds of the estate. So, Jim, seems like a fantastic product for executors. What about benefits for partners?
So for partners, what this allows is access to liquidity right the way through the administrative process. We can pay costs both that have been accrued and on an ongoing basis, which means that they can meet any of their testamentary expenses very quickly as soon as they're incurred.
Okay. And have partners expressed any concerns?
So partners should have absolutely no concerns about this product. First and foremost, the executor or personal representative can bind the estate to any testamentary expense, and this can happen both pre and post grant of probate. Even if the executor or personal representative then changes through the probate process, the actions of the first are binding on the second. That means that the estate will repay the loan in any circumstances. If, however, the estate cannot repay the loan because there's insufficient liquidity, we then bear all of that credit risk.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome, and I'm Jill Steele, Director of Law Skills Limited, a company which enjoys working with leading legal minds. And in that role, of course, I do a lot of training, but I'm also looking for innovative products and services which can enhance the delivery of a law firm's work and products to their client base. And in that respect, I've been delighted to discover a new set of products offered by Tower Street Finance.
Yeah, I was very interested actually, Dickie, in the new testamentary expenses product that you've been looking at, because what we're finding increasingly is estates again becoming liquid because there's only a house, say, very large property, and you can't sell it for quite some time for whatever reason. But there's still a lot of expense that needs to be dealt with over and above paying the inheritance tax. And those need to be funded, and you've obviously thought about a solution for that.
Oh, this has all been really interesting, Dickie, but of course none of us can really guess what someone's personal situation is until it presents itself. So what happens if the individual, be it the estate, the executor or the beneficiary's circumstances, don't kind of fit to the criteria we've been talking about?
That's interesting, because one of the things we say internally is we do not have a typical customer, and as you guys know, every customer situation is different. And how we like to position this is we're here to solve problems. So just come and talk to us about a particular situation, be it the beneficiary, the executor or the solicitor, and we look to solve the problem. It may even be the case, we've done it already, where perhaps it's more than one product is required to solve the problem, and we can do that. Estate expense funding is a fabulous product for both partners and executors, so please get in touch to find out more.